Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is May. Welcome back to DIY by May Please. Long time no video. Yeah. So on today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I made this stripped detailing on this outfit. You can see Iya Bojo's outfit. It was inspired by Iya Bojo's outfit for Davido's wedding. And if you're interested to learn how to do that, keep watching this video. Yeah. And before I forget, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So firstly, I've already sewn the skirt and I've joined the two sides, and I'll be making use of doll face for my strips, yes, to achieve that. And the width is 5 inches. Then after sewing, you have 2 inches. So I made use of 2 yards of doll face, even though I didn't finish all, but I wanted to be on a safer side. So depending on how full you want yours to be, that is what will determine it. And I'll be using a crinoline for this, so you can see how I am inserting it inside the doll face. Yes, so what I'll be doing is, to make it very fast, I will insert the crinoline and I will be folding the upper part and I will sew that down. And I made use of my zipper foot. This helped me out a whole lot. So if you don't have a zipper foot, it might actually be a bit hard for you because you wouldn't want to be sewing on top of the crinoline. But with this zipper foot, it will help you to avoid any crinoline trying to step into where you are sewing. So if you've never used a zipper foot, this is how it looks like. You can shift it to the left or the right depending on where you are sewing. Yes, so mine will actually be on the right side because that's where I want to be sewing. Yes, I will make it be on the right side. Yeah, so this is how it will be. But before I change it, I will quickly get a strip, cut out a strip that I'll be using to secure that upper part, as you can see. So if you know how to secure anything with a strip, you can see me showing you how to do that. So I'll first of all secure that before I go ahead to sew. As you can see here, I have gone ahead to secure that part and I have already fixed my zipper foot, and I will then go ahead to sew this. So I'll be showing you how to do this. Just look very closely. You can see that I didn't stitch on top of the crinoline, that the zipper foot actually helped me not to do that. You can see, right? That is why you have to cut the width to be 5 inches. Yeah, so this is what I have here. I will go ahead to keep sewing. Some people might actually want to sew before inserting the crinoline, but it will be the hardest thing for you to do. So this is the simplest way. So at this point, this is what I have gotten so far, and I still have a lot. So what I did, I didn't join too much of the strips. So what I did is, once I want to join, I will stop, then get my my doll face, then I join and I keep on sewing. So you can see the quantity I have right here. So you can see that this has frills. So after I was done doing that, what I did was that I went ahead and weaved that part so that it will be very neat. So use a matching color to weave the part that you've sewn. Weave it so your work will be very neat. So going back to the drawing board. Yes, so this is the reason why I say you should join the two sides, like the back part, the sides of the skirt, if you understand me, before going ahead to make this detailing on your skirt, so that you know where to stop and know where not to stop. Yeah, so before I go ahead, I will get the picture to be sure of what I'm doing, to calculate where I'm starting and where I'll be ending. Yeah, so after I'm done calculating where to start with the detailing, what I did was to measure from the upper part down to 9 inches to get where to start. Yes, so depending on what you want, but me, I came down by 9 inches. Yes, so with the picture right there, what I did was to use the chalk. So if you have a chalk that wouldn't clear, because this white one later. I later changed it to a colored tailor's check because it was clearing. Yes, yeah. So what I did was to use my chalk to mark how I would want this to flow. Yes, so the way I would want it to, the details to be on the skirt is the way I am using my chalk to carve out the lines. You can see what I'm doing right here. I didn't just make it straight, I made it to be curvy, as you can see me doing right here. So the first drawing might not be perfect, just like you can see mine wasn't perfect. So you just keep trying till you get what you want. So I can now get my strip and I will go ahead to do it this way. I'm showing you guys so that you understand. So I'm working with the first line. So I'm just showing you guys how I will be sewing this. So if you know how you drew your line, that is how you are going to be stitching this on your main fabric, on your skirt. Yes, so this is how you do it, and you go right down to the hem, just like you can see me doing right here. So this is a closer view of the curves I created. Yeah, so this is it. I will place this so they can see the closer view, and what I'll be doing is that I will go ahead and use my chalk and mark it with the yellow chalk, tailor's chalk. And I also went ahead to use my pin to hold this down, though there will be times that you can't even use your pin to work it out. And after I was done, I thought I was recording and my recording stopped at the point. I'm so sorry guys, but just once you follow the instructions, you're gonna get exactly this or something even finer than this. Yes, so if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up and see you on my next video. Bye.